Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka masterclass balapanyan ta ka company Estee Lauders kaway na ki company bapaw nam Jong kari ha ka jingi trailang bat ka Nykaa Shillong kilapalong ya ka jingi lang ka bakarpang kum ka jing Paidbah ya ka Dukan ba Nyngkong Jong ka Nykaa hanong ba Shillong da ka bawan ra ki mar pen itanat kum ki jing ta jing pin bapaw nam ha ka perthei kum ka MAC Cosmetics Bobby Brown Estee Lauders Too Faced bat ka Smashbox ha kani gajing play Paidbah u director katanat tourism bat u joint secretary ka sarkar jilla ulalong kumukong san haringkat kinong shakhot snobha ka kong hasina kharbi uba Brian walang lembat ki saw khongot tam kinong wan yeshim benta ha kani gajing play ya kani ka Dukan kadai ka sen jam ka bakong san na ka benta ki Paidbah jong kanong ba Shillong ka ba ailat iki ban yo bet ye ki mar pen itanat baremdor klem da shania tang hakilat online ha kani ka masterclass layo lat ban pen iya ki mar pen itanat kum ki jingta jingpen kumnu ban pendon kam yaki ha ki liang ba pher na kini ki company ba pawnam da ka baya sam ki jing ai jing mut ki but bat ki jing ai jing mut ya ki nong wan pet kai
that Bakab was going to be the person who's going to be taking care of this event, and I was really happy because he's someone who's really worked hard to reach where he is today. He's someone who, because of his hard work and his dedication and overcoming every obstacle that came his way, he was able to reach where he is today. And I'm so happy to know that he's opening up another center in Myram, which he told me about day before yesterday. I was really proud about that too, because this is something which many of us who don't talk about.
And how we present ourselves. And with that, I first would like to congratulate Madhab for 1 year starting his academy, which has had so many young people. And I think the enthusiasm of what creativity can do and what style can actually help in confidence building is something that I congratulate, because it takes a lot of efforts to be in this journey of creativity. I have known Badab from the time he started his journey. I have been following him and been in touch with him over the years. It was such a happiness to see him coming back and giving back to the communities and coming back to the young people and going as interior as Myra. And today when he said, please come here, I said, it's an honor. And I know he's been involved with our brand, Impulse and Power, doing some fabulous work which is coming up internationally very soon. Thank you for those wonderful makeup you did for our brand. And also to bring young people with you whenever you're doing your makeup and others, and the enthusiasm. What is beautiful about him is his communication and the fact that he's very passionate. So when you put something together, it is his passion that speaks louder than who he is, and the resilience that he had through the challenges that he went through. His academy has worked very closely with our organization from Delhi, and even this time when I met all of them, they still missed him very much. They felt that a talented person is out of that institution, but I think the best part is he's coming back to give back to the society. Congratulations, it's an honor to be here. And I hope everybody will enjoy this entire demonstration and be motivated that looking good is also about looking natural.
Yeah.
I would request Madam and Mr.